Hi there, students. Styrne. Okay, styrne can be a noun or an adjective. The noun and the adjective have different meanings. Then an adverb, sternly. Okay, as a noun, the stern is the back end of a boat, the back of a ship. The opposite of the prow or the bow, which is the front. I sat in the stern of the ship and watched the port getting further and further away. Yeah, I sat on the stern of the boat, the back of the boat, the poop is another word for it. But that's technical. Now, stern as an adjective is much more interesting. It means strict, severe, serious, harsh, unforgiving, uncompromising. He gave me a stern warning and told me not to do it again, or I would lose my job. My grandfather was a stern disciplinarian. A disciplinarian, somebody who punishes you for everything you do wrong and anything. So, stern, firm and uncompromising. No deals. I'm not going to reduce your sentence for behaving well. Relentless. The city sternly resisted the enemy. With great strength, refusing to give in. The stern demands of living in the desert. You have to comply with all of the demands. They're stern demands. We can also use stern meaning to express displeasure. You don't like something, you disapprove of it. He talked to me in a stern voice. He didn't like what I had done. The mother gave the children a stern look. So, stern, hard and severe, a stern warning, stern measures, stern discipline. Showing disapproval, a stern face, a stern voice. Refusing to bend, sternly adamant, his stern insistence, inflexibility, it is like this. So, let's see, stern, of a person, when you're talking about a person, serious and unrelenting in the exercise of their authority or discipline. So stern, it's got to be exactly like this. Stern, to describe an act or a statement, strict, severe, serious. And then stern, talking about competition or opposition, to put under extreme pressure. A stern test, stern resistance. Okay, so stern, it's got a variety of different meanings, but it's all around this idea of serious, refusing to give in, inflexible about the rules, severe, harsh, disapproving, all of these ideas. Okay, we can also use the word astern is a type of seabird like a tern, but that's just an aside. Oh yeah, and we also have a common phrase in English, to be made of sterner stuff. He is made of sterner stuff. So this is saying that somebody has enough strength of character to overcome a problem. He had severe problems, but he was made of sterner stuff. He was stronger. He was more unrelenting than the problem. There was fierce opposition to the new way of working that he was implementing. But he was made of sterner stuff and finally managed to convince people that it was better like that. So he had enough strength of character to overcome this problem. So, next question. How formal is this word stern? The stern of a boat, I think 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. It defines what it defines. And then stern as in serious, I'd probably give it a 5.5 in formality. Maybe even 6. I think it's quite flexible, and I think you could use it in an informal conversation. Unbending, serious. So, next question. What about the origin? Well, in Old English, there was a word Styrne, S-T-Y-R-N-E, meaning strict, austere, cruel. And I think that goes back further to Proto-Indo-European, stir, meaning rigid or stiff, unbending. Yeah? So if somebody is stern, they're serious, they sound a bit angry, they sound disapproving, they're not going to change their mind, they know exactly what must be done, and that cannot change. Yeah, strict implementation of the rules, stern, hard, harsh. So there we go, stern. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Stern.